With the end of the year approaching, now is the best time to plan for your tenant renewals. Being proactive now is going to save you headaches later, and it's even going to help keep your best tenants happy. Hi everyone, my name is Josh. I'm with Magnum Property Management, and this video is why now is the best time to prepare for your tenant renewals. Review your lease expiration dates. Check your leases to see which ones are expiring in the next 60 to 90 days. Planning early is going to give you a time to market the home just in case that tenant decides not to renew. Assess the market rents. Compare your current rent to the market. It really helps you determine if small adjustments can be made to stay competitive, but without pricing out your great tenants. Schedule your property inspections. The end of the year is a fantastic time to schedule all of your property inspections and your walkthroughs. You'll catch small maintenance issues now before they turn into big issues down the road. Communicate early. Reach out to your tenants now about the renewal options. Clear, friendly communication shows that you value them, and it gives them plenty enough time to plan for the future. Lastly, offer incentives to retain your quality tenants. Consider maybe small perks like carpet cleaning, paint touch-up, or even a stable rent pricing for the next year. Keeping a good tenant saves you time and money in the long term. Start your renewal planning now and secure great tenants and steady rental income for the years to come. For expert property management or guidance, reach out to us, magnumpropertymgt.com, or DM me, call, or text. Thanks, guys.